Let's go with easy level. Can you guess which Indian monument is this? You are correct, it's Taj Mahal. Now try to name this monument. Answer before time run out. Yes, it's India Gate. Can you tell which fort is this? Be fast. It's Red Fort. Take a look and guess this monument. Yes, it's Qutub Minar, a tallest brick minaret in the world. Can you guess which gate is this? Think carefully. It is Gateway of India in Mumbai. Can you name what it is? Yes, it is Hawa Mahal, and it also known as Palace of Winds. Can you identify this famous place? Answer fast. You got it, it's Charminar. Answer, which royal palace is this? Very good, it's Mysore Palace. Take a look and identify this beautiful monument. Comment your answer. It's Golden Temple, holiest Sikh shrine. Think fast and name this monument. It's Victoria Memorial. Tell us which Indian monument is this? It's Lotus Temple. Now try to name this. Be quick. It's Humayun Tomb in Delhi. Can you name what it is? It's Statue of Unity, tallest statue in the world, and it is dedicated to Sardar Patel. Name it. Yes, it's Jama Masjid. Do you know this monument? Think harder. You are correct, it's Bada Imambada. Now try to name this. It's Chota Imambada. Now let's level up and try this medium level. Name this iconic Indian landmark. Answer fast. Very good, it's Lake Palace in Udaipur. Look carefully and try to recognize this famous structure. It's Somnath Temple, one of the 12 Jyotirlinga temples of Lord Shiva. Look closely and name this monument. Correct, it is Vivekanand Rock Memorial. Can you identify this iconic bridge? Hurry up, it's simple. Yes, it's Howrah Bridge in Kolkata. Guess which heritage monument is this? Yes, it's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus. Think carefully and guess this monument. Comment its name. It's Cellular Jail, also known as Kalapani. Now try to name this monument. Correct, it's Jantar Mantar of Jaipur. Can you recognize this Indian landmark? Look carefully. It's Hampi. It is ruins of the Vijayanagara Empire. Name this. You got it, it's Meenakshi Temple. Do you know which monument is shown in the image? Correct, it's Sarnath, first sermon site of Buddha. Very few people get this right. What's your answer? It's Dilwara Temple. Tell what is its name? It's simple. Correct, it's Sabarmati Ashram, residence of Mahatma Gandhi. Tell which landmark is this? It is Gol Gumbaj. Tell us which Indian monument is this? It's Bibi Ka Maqbara, also known as Mini Taj Mahal. Name this iconic Indian landmark. Guess it. It's Buland Darwaza in Fatehpur Sikri. Can you guess which Indian monument is this? It's Akshardham Temple. Let's level up to hard level, give it a try. Look carefully and try to identify these caves. Very good, they are Ajanta Caves. Then tell which caves are these? Think carefully. Yes, these are Ellora Caves. Which Indian monument is this? It's simple. It's Konark Sun Temple. Try to identify which monument is this. Yes, these are Khajuraho temples in Madhya Pradesh. Take a look and guess this monument. Keep it up. It is Sanchi Stupa, one of the oldest Buddhist stupas in India. Can you identify what is this monument? Answer before time run out. You got it, it's Rani Ki Vav, magnificent stepwell in Gujarat. Try to identify which monument is this. Correct, it is Brihadeshwara Temple. Now try to name this monument. You can tell it. It is Tirupati Balaji Temple. Tell which caves are these? They are Elephanta Caves. Look at this monument, tell what it is. Try it. Correct, it's Virupaksha Temple. What's the name of this iconic site? Guess it. It's 5-story Adalat stepwell. Which Indian monument is it? Be quick. It's Modhera Sun Temple. Think which monument this might be. Correct, it is Iron Pillar of Delhi, a rust-resistant iron pillar. Tell what is its name? Comment your answer. You got it, it's Dholavira archaeological site of the Indus Valley civilization. Look at this monument, tell what it is. It is Shore Temple. Answer, which royal palace is this? Correct, it's Umad Bhavan Palace, one of the world's largest private residence. Now let's test your knowledge in this impossible level. Can you recognize this Indian landmark? Think harder. It's Martand Sun Temple, ancient Kashmiri temple built in the 8th century. Name this iconic Indian landmark. Very good, it is Basilica of Bom Jesus. Look and tell what is the name of this place? Think fast. It's Tawang Monastery, India's largest Buddhist monastery, located in Arunachal Pradesh. Do you know which monument is shown in the image? It's St. Thomas Basilica. Can you identify this famous place? Hurry up. You got it, it's Unakoti. Look at this monument, tell what it is. Comment your answer. Correct, it's Mahabodhi Temple, place where Buddha got enlightenment. What do you think this place is called? It's Champaner Pavagadh Archaeological Park. This is almost impossible. Can you still guess this monument? Yes, it's Leh Palace. Can you name this historical monument? Be fast. Yes, they are great living Chola temples. Now try to name this monument. It is Bhojeshwar Temple. Think carefully and guess this monument. Correct, it is Vishwa Shanti Stupa. Can you name what it is? Comment your score. You got it, it's Nalanda University ruins of one of the world's oldest university. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel for more such quizzes.